Hello, everyone. My name is Chris Sanchez from Perez Real Estate. And at this time, we have Johan Confidente in our office. He's going to help you out with all your questions about investment. But right now, I want him to introduce himself.
Well, hi, Chris. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure for me to be here with your clients. And I'll be more than happy to answer everybody's questions and concerns.
This is a very nice opportunity for you to understand every details about investing in Dominican Republic. But we want to know from an expert. What is about investment here in Dominican Republic? Can you tell us about a little bit of investment here?
Well, definitely, yes. Dominican Republic is in a great momentum right now. We have lots of great business opportunities, and the climate is super good for investing right now. And the most important and the reason that I'm here for is actually how to secure your investment. This is what I jump in. And my part is to make sure that everything is in good standing, meaning that there is no problem with the title, that there is no further problem, let's say litigations or easement, any problem that might affect you from transferring or prevent you from transferring your property right once you have paid the money. This is my role in the process, and I will be able to assist you from start to finish.
Also, we want to know about how much about the taxes here in the Dominican Republic, because this is one of the questions that my clients do a lot. So can you help me out with that?
Absolutely, yes. When we talk about taxes, we talk about transfer taxes, we talk about property taxes. When it comes to transfer taxes, we have in the Dominican Republic, let's say you buy a property, and based on the purchase price, you have to pay 3% to transfer the property to your name. And then once you already own the property, your property will be subject to 1% property tax per year, which means that, but the good news is that you also have a tax exoneration. Let's say if your property is $200,000, your first $165,000 will be property tax free. And that is a great news for those of you who are looking to invest in the Dominican Republic.
This is just fine. We also want to know about ley de cofauteurs law. We want to know more about ley de cofauteurs. Tell us about ley de cofauteurs.
Well, it's clear that the way you present it is fantastic, because we first talk about the existing taxes, and now we're going to talk about waiving those taxes. And that is exactly what Confauteur does. You have the 3% and you have the 1%. Both of them will be waived in the event of Confauteur. Let me make an example. If you buy a property that has the benefit of Confauteur, it means that if the property has been already approved for Confauteur, the 3% tax will be eliminated, and the 1% per year will also be eliminated for the first 15 years.
That's an amazing opportunity, you see?
Yeah.
Also, I want to know, besides the ley de cofauteurs law, we want to know what else that covers our clients and the investment here in the Dominican Republic.
Well, it's clear that nobody likes to pay taxes, right? It is clear. Then definitely we do have some other incentives in place, and this is why I always tell my clients that Dominican Republic is the best legislation for foreign investors, and some of those reasons is because of the tax incentives in place. And I'm also talking about incentives based on the purchase price, and also incentives based on the age of the buyer. Let me make an example again. Let's say somebody who's 65 or older buys a property here in the Dominican Republic. If it's their primary home, they will not be subject to property taxes. So this is another great incentive. Let's say you're retired and you're looking to retire somewhere and save some money, then Dominican Republic is a good place to come, because property taxes will not be applicable to you.
We really want you to be here in the Dominican Republic. So this time I recommend you to go to our page, Perez Real Estate, or if you have any other questions about legal assistance, we have Johan Confidente. Here you're going to have the number and the information about them, and here you're going to have Perez Real Estate information. So follow up, and if you have any other question, please don't doubt to contact us.